Hey Changemakers, I'm Molly Schreiber. I'm CEO and founder of Challenge to Change Incorporated, where we bring mindful education into the world. Today, I'm going to be sharing a short sound healing meditation with you. Sound healing is such an important and powerful practice. Sound healing allows us to drop into a deeper meditative space, along with allowing the vibration to wash over our body and heal us from within. Today, as I share this short sound healing meditation with you, I'm only going to be using 4 bowls. The notes I'm going to be using with you today are the C, the A, and the F bowl. Only 3 different notes, but utilizing those 3 different notes in harmony is going to be able to have you come into a very relaxed meditative space. So I hope that you enjoy this short sound healing meditation with the notes C, F, and A to help you relax and restore. So if you'd like to, come to a space where you feel relaxed, whether it be laying down on your yoga mat or in your bed, or sitting upright and closing your eyes, or allowing your gaze to come to a safe spot, maybe looking down or hooding your eyes. And just allow yourself to come to your breath. Exhale the breath completely out of your body. Let it go. Allow yourself to settle a little bit deeper into the space around you. After you've exhaled completely, let it go again. Fully exhale, maybe let it be audible to you. And then inhale, fill the belly, the rib cage, the chest. And then open mouth, exhale again, sigh it out, let it go. Let yourself come to this meditative space. And then keep that breath going, inhaling in through the nose, and then exhaling back out through the nose or through slightly parted lips, whichever feels best for you in this practice today. If your eyes are still open, I invite you to allow your gaze to come downward or your eyes fully to close. As you sink into this meditation practice, I invite you to allow what comes to come, what stays to stay, and what goes to let it go. Be fully grounded in this practice today and allow the vibration of the sound to wash over you fully as you enjoy this harmonizing sound healing. breath out of your body. Take a big inhale, filling the belly, the rib cage, and the chest. And then open mouth exhale, sigh it out, let it go. And then inhale, filling again, belly, chest, rib cage. And exhale, sigh it out, let it go. On the next inhale, begin to bring movement to your fingers and your toes. Maybe rocking your head side to side, shaking your head slowly to the right and slowly to the left. And if you're in a lying position, make those movements longer. And then eventually bring yourself up to a seated pose, or if you're seated, blink open your eyes, bringing your hands to your heart center. Closing out this short sound healing meditation, this time and space you took for yourself. Take your thumbs up to your third eye, knowing we practice all types of healing to make us think clearly. Bring your thumbs down to your lips, knowing we practice all types of healing to make us speak and listen more clearly. And bring your hands down to your heart center. And most importantly, we practice all types of healing to make us more clear on our loving and our giving. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you feel loved. And may you be safe. Namaste. Thank you for practicing this short meditation with me. If you like other sound meditations, we do have some on our YouTube channel. Check them out, along with lots of other amazing meditations. Namaste.